Hi everyone, hope you're doing today. So today I'm going to install QuickLook. This is a good tool. So basically it enables us to quickly preview any kind of files using Spacebar. So I'll install it in window and will show you how it works. So you just have to go to Microsoft Store and search for QuickLook. It's for Mac. Okay, just it's installing. It's shows like it's around 105 MB of size. Okay, so it's downloading. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, so it has installed now. It is completed. I'll open it. It should, yeah, so it is running here. So these are different options here. Check for update, find new plugin, open data folder, restart, quit. So let's see what are the plugins. Different plugins are available. Okay, so these are the different kind of plugins which are available, which you can install to enable preview these kind of files. Okay, so Office Viewer Native. So this will help you to see or preview Office related files, and these are the different files you can install for downloading it. Okay, so you can add this, but for now I will leave it default. I'll go to download folder. Uh, yeah, so see, I have just pressed dash spacebar and it shows this. And okay, these are all exe file. Let's see. So I'll see. Okay, so see, it's just okay. So it if you press space bar, it will display show you the preview, and if you press again, it will close it. So this is all about this software for now. Hope you like it. Please try to install if you like it and see how it works for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.